guys. I really wasn't planning on filming this, but look at this property. We're now at a mansion. Guys, see the size of this place? Holy shit. Property is freaking 4.5 acres. Huge. You could do activities outside and never feel the need to go anywhere else. This is probably one of the few scenarios where a more compressed lens would probably be really helpful. We're shooting on a 16-35 right now. You should probably do 2 or 3 takes with this stuff, but this is a huge house. I have a lot of ground to cover, and I'm comfortable enough with this gimbal to not have to worry about it too much. Bro, they got their own pond. Oh boy, mosquitoes are out. One of the main things to keep in mind, oh man, it just occurred to me that all my audio is being recorded by the camera. All right, can't talk, guys, sorry. Man, it's sweaty AF. Takes 2 to 3 business days just to get to the house from the gate. And when you throw it all together, you should get something like this. Well guys, as per usual, I just half donkeyed the end of that video, and I was going to end it more than likely with some kind of encouragement. Just get out there, email those people, call those realtors, make it happen. Don't let lack of experience and lack of portfolio prevent you from trying. Mess up. You really just need to mess up a lot. That's the best and quickest way to learn, because those lessons where you mess up and there's stress and sweat and frustration involved are way more memorable than the times when you're able to just show up and knock things out perfectly. Like, I don't remember all of the easy jobs that I had and was able to do, but I definitely remember the times I messed up. Like today, having to go back to a house an hour away and shoot because I didn't think to open what looked like a closet door. I missed an entire bathroom, and now I'm paying for it. And I'm gonna remember this. I'm gonna know next time I go out there, open every freaking door in the place. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope it was fun, hope it was useful, hope it was helpful. If you liked it, hit the thumbs down. If you don't subscribe, that makes me very happy. So make sure to do the opposite of what you're expected to do. All right, cool, thanks. Talk to you later, peace, bye.